Welcome to the Bureau's long-range forecast for July to September 2024. First, let's look at recent conditions. So far, June has been drier than usual in some of the more populated areas, including parts of the east and in the southwest. Elsewhere, rainfall has been average to above average. Looking at the past 12 months, it has been very dry across some of the southern agricultural regions and parts of the west. The southwestern corner of the country is tracking to be the driest on record, with Tasmania's rainfall also in the lowest 3 on record for the 12 months ending with June. Most of the north has been wetter than usual over the past 12 months, largely a result of cyclones and tropical activity. Cold fronts, followed by slow-moving highs that brought clear, still nights, have led to some cool and frosty June mornings for large areas in the east. Meanwhile, nights have been warmer in the west. However, daytime temperatures in June to date have been close to average for many areas and warmer than usual for large parts of the country, except around New South Wales. Soil moisture is average to above average for most areas, but it's below average across the far south. Total water storage across Australia is currently around 74% full. Water storages in some areas are above 100% across the north and east, while others in parts of the south have fallen below 50%. Looking ahead to the long-range forecast, for July to September, above average rainfall is likely for some central areas, including South Australia's pastoral districts and parts of the east coast, while drier conditions are likely in Tasmania. Most other areas are more likely to have rainfall within the typical range for July to September. Storms are still common in southern parts of Australia at this time of year, bringing a risk of flooding at times of heavy rainfall, especially in areas where soils are already saturated. Most of the east coast is likely to have near median to high stream flow for June to August. Parts of the south are forecast to have low stream flow. While cold fronts and other weather events can still bring cool conditions, the long-range forecast continues to show an increased chance of unusually high temperatures for July to September. Sea surface temperatures are forecast to be warmer than average across most of the globe, including around Australia. The Indian Ocean Dipole and El Niño Southern Oscillation are expected to remain neutral until at least the end of winter. In summary, the forecast for July to September shows rainfall is likely to be within the typical seasonal range for large areas. Above average rainfall is likely for some central regions, including South Australia's pastoral districts and parts of the east coast, and all of the country has an increased chance of above average temperatures. We update the long-range forecast regularly with the latest trends for the weeks and months ahead. Select your location on the website to find out more. Bye for now.